We pretty much have it made here at Wired. It's part of our job to listen to music all day, often on exceedingly fancy and bonkers expensive headphones. We have playlists for testing bass, for assessing detail, we get way into it. So you'd think testing headphones on the cheap end of the spectrum would seem like a chore. But no, we've found real and honest joy searching for good headphones and earbuds with price tags between $5 and $100. Our work isn't done, either. E-tailers are overflowing with cheap, awful headphones, so we'll keep listening and updating this list as we try the ever-expanding options. Now fire up your favorite playlist, count your pennies, and dive in. All products links available in the description below. 1. Best in-ear monitors. FiiO FA1. With a sleek 3D printed design and a braided cable that runs around your ears instead of below them, FiiO's FA1 makes you look and feel like your favorite pop star on stage. The around-the-ear cable design means that putting them in takes a bit longer than more traditional earbuds, but you're rewarded with some of the most balanced, detailed sound that we've ever heard for a single Benjamin. FiiO is best known for making expensive, audiophile-grade headphones and digital music players, and much of what we love about the FA1 is borrowed from its more expensive siblings. The ergonomic outer section of the headphones hides custom-made balanced armature drivers, which provide clear highs and controlled bass response, and built-in MMCX terminations on each earbud mean you can quickly and easily replace the cable if it ever wears out. They even come with an included hardshell case, a rarity at this price. 2. Best banded earbuds. Jaybird Tara. Both of Jaybird's latest sub-$100 headphones, the Tara and the X4, are excellent, durable, long-lived workout buds with fantastic sound quality. But if you don't need the X4's special, squishy Comply foam ear tips, the Tara has everything you need at a sweet price. Soft earpieces with wings fit securely out of the box and stayed put while our review team went trail running, rock climbing, and weightlifting. They weigh less than a half ounce. Most wonderfully of all, you can tinker with EQ presets in the Jaybird app or create your own custom sound. We've been known to wear them absolutely everywhere, from the bus to the beach, and enjoy their impressive 8 hours of battery life to the fullest. 3. Best wire-free buds under $50. J-Lab Audio Jaybud Air True Wireless. Most wire-free earbuds are still generally a bit pricey, but if you want total freedom for a palatable price, these Jaybud are a safe, cheap bet. We especially like how comfortable they are, and the USB charging cable is built into the carrying case, so you have one less thing to lose. Battery life is about 6 hours per charge, 24 including case, which is a few hours shy of the absolute best wireless earbuds in 2020, but better than AirPods and many competitors. The sound is also beefier than average, bass heads should love them.